Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I got some Happy Mail today and I got this card inside it, and it was from a wonderful lady. Now the lady did ask, please don't say my name. So what she's done is over the past 2 years that she has raised over £4,000 making and selling her baby blankets and a few other baby items, and she split the money between Marie Curie Cancer Care, Sri Lanka Support and a local charity called Kirsty's Kids. And I think it's wonderful. I think it's amazing that someone's been using some of the stitches and the things that I've been showing on my channel to do this wonderful thing, making baby blankets and selling them and giving the money to charity. It's absolutely amazing. You know who you are, and I think you're wonderful. And the card was beautiful and you're so generous. Thank you so much. Now I did get some Happy Mail with this card and I'm going to get that now. So I'm going to just knit this in the corner and see if I can get my way in to this bag. And Motley's going to be sitting there patiently waiting. Well, there's another bag in there. Get her way in here. I love opening Happy Mail. So I'll just be careful. I'm going to push that out of shot and pull these out. These are beautiful. Oh, look at feel. That is so soft. This is a King Cole baby 4-ply. Do you want the bag? What I'll do is I'll give this bag here to Muttley. So we'll see these two that are in here. Where's your ball? Go and get your ball. I think the reason Malik doesn't like me being up here, he's got to run up and down the stairs for his toys. These are beautiful. This is so soft. I'll keep that aside there. This is so soft. This is King Cole Baby 4-ply. Now it is quite thin, but like I've always said with thin yarn, you can double it up, but it will make something really pretty. Even just one ball makes a beautiful little baby hat. Now this is a 4-ply, it's 100 grams. The colour is called Petal, the colour on this. I'll pop that aside there. Got lots of room here. This is a So Crafty yarn. So Crafty is Aldi yarn. And this one is a double knitting and it's called Teal. It's 100% acrylic. And it's 100% acrylic. It's 100 grams in the ball and that's 300 metres. It's approximately, 300 metres it's saying, and that is really soft. It's quite bargain when you go to Aldi's and get your hands on some of the yarn that they do. This one here, I didn't tell you what it was. I think this is acrylic as well. It's King Cole. It's 440 yards, that's 400 metres, and it's 100% premium acrylic and it's really soft. I'm going to pop that. I've got a box down here at my side. I'll pop them down there. You might hear the odd knocking noise. Muttley's found a little space to try and put his ball in. It won't fit in there. This is a Signet double knitting. It's 100 grams. Look at the colour of that. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love the colour of this. It's a beautiful shade of a sort of greeny blue colour. Now this is called Petrol. The shade number is 325 and this is a Signet yarn and it's 100 grams of double knitting. This is 100% acrylic as well. It's really strange that you get this as 100% acrylic and so are the other ones, and there's this is so soft. Now I'm going to keep going because there is quite a bit in here. And that's that bag. Look, there's a little ball on its own. Oh, that's pretty. There's just bags inside bags here. It's like a little treasure hunt. And then we've got that one, but we'll check this one out first. This is a So Crafty double knitting yarn. That is a beautiful colour. Look at that purpley heather colour. The colour on this one, it usually tells you what it is. You think I would know where the name is by now. Magneto. This one is Magneto. It's beautiful. It's really soft. It's a double knitting yarn. And it's 100% acrylic. That's beautiful. I'm going to pop that in my box that I've got down there. This is really pretty. Look at this. Yes, you can get the bag. Just hang on. Right, where's your ball? So we've got this little ball of rainbow. It says rainbow line. It says smiles. And fashion gradient. First class weight, 50-gram ball. That's 180 metres. The colour number is 06. It doesn't have a colour name. This is so pretty. 100% import rule. It's really soft. Look at the colours in that. That is really pretty. That is really, even a little ball like this, 50 grams, you make a little hat. Make a little scarf for a child. That is such a pretty, pretty pink. I love that. I wonder if we'll have a look and see if there's any more of these in there. Got a little idea, it's just popped into my head. I want to do a summer cellular blanket, and because it is summer here, and that would be absolutely amazing for it. It's so pretty. I'm going to pop that to the side there just now. Now we'll get into this bag. Oh dear. Oh, malicious. I'm trying not to show the address on this other bag. I'll pop that aside there. So I'll pop that there, and we'll take these out. There we go. I've just given the bag to Mother. Now we've got some whites. We'll put these down here. This is Tootsie. This is called Yarn Bear Tootsie. There is, I think this is a 50-gram ball. This is a 50-gram ball. I got some of the Tootsie. Beautiful, and it is so soft, and it crochets up beautiful for beautiful blankets. Now I've got 2 balls of white. I'm going to pop them down there in my basket that I've got down there. We'll pull these ones over. There's another 2 balls of that Yarn Fair Tootsie white. It's so pretty. It's really soft as well. We have a ball of First Choice. This is so soft. I've had quite a few of this yarn sent to me. Look at the colour of that. It's like a silver. It says it's grey, but it's silver. Shade 03, and I think this is it might be a Poundland ball of yarn. Mine's don't do it. Everybody says, oh, mine's does, but the one near me actually doesn't. The one beside me is quite small, and that's a beautiful shade of grey. It's soft as well. It's so soft. I'll pop that down there. And we've got 2 balls of this baby blue. I've used this before as well. It is beautiful. I've had some of this sent to me before too. It's so squishy. It really is. It really is a soft yarn for making baby things. It's beautiful. It's 100 grams. It's double knitting. It's 100% acrylic. The shade number is 102. If you need to know the number of that. Now I don't have any nail polish on today. When I was not well, a lot of my nails all broke with all the medication that I was taking. So I don't have any polish. I need to wait until my nails grow a little bit more, especially these ones here. It was terrible. They were just so thin, and they just all broke with all the painkillers and the antibiotics. So I do apologise for not having any nice polish on my hands. Anyway, this is baby double knitting yarn, and it's from the Yarn Company, and there's 2 of those. I'll pop them down because I've got more to go. We've got a white. This is a James C. Bray. I recognise that little birdie in the nest there. This is a James C. Bray, and it's Baby Aran. It's beautiful. It is so soft. It's so soft. Aran is a thicker yarn. It's slightly thicker than double knitting. It's beautiful. The shade number for this is BA4. It's BA4. James C. Brett doesn't give the colours an actual name. They just have numbers. It's 100% acrylic. It doesn't tell you what the yardage is with this. It's just 100 grams, and it's beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to say lady, but you know who I'm talking about. I know who I'm talking about, and she knows who I'm talking about, and it's absolutely lovely. Now in this bag we have got some So Crafty. This is an almond colour. It's double knitting. It's beautiful, soft. It's so soft. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Look at that. Now this is a premium value. Look at the shade of that lemon. It looks like lemon dip. Looks like lemon sorbet, doesn't it? It's absolutely beautiful, and it is so soft. Now this is a double knitting yarn. I think that would be a lightweight if you're in the USA and you're watching this. The colour for this is gold, but well, maybe a golden yellow, yeah, but it's, I would say it's more of a sort of sorbet lemon yellow. It's beautiful, it really is. I wouldn't have called it gold, but that's what the company chose to call it. Gold is shade number 10. It's 100 grams. Most of the double knitting tells you to use a 4.5mm crochet hook. In this it's 310 yards, that's 285 meters. And they're saying this is double knitting. It's just telling you what the yardage in the meters with that double knitting. And with this is double knitting as well, and the yardage and the meterage is different. So in this, it's saying it's 300 meters for 100 grams, and it's double knitting. And this one is telling you that it is 285 meters, and it's double knitting. But it's lovely. The colours in that are absolutely beautiful, and it is so soft. And so is that one. That's a So Crafty one from Aldi's. Again, beautiful yarns. And if you're looking, you can go onto Aldi's online, and they do a lot of beautiful yarn. I'm going to pop that down there in my big box that I've got down there, ready to go into my wall of yarn. And we'll take these last ones out of this bag. We've got some Stylecraft, some Hayfield Bonus. It's a beautiful colour, beautiful shade. And we've got some nice poppy red. That is beautiful. I'm going to put that back down. No doubt Muttley will have some fun hiding the ball in there. Look at that poppy red. That is so pretty. Now this is double knitting, and it's by Stylecraft. It's beautiful. It's 100 grams in this. That's 295 meters, 322 yards. But I'm sorry about the noise that Muttley's making. I just need to get him used to being up in this room, and the best way to do it is with some bags and his ball and his toys. That's the best way to do it. So we've got 3 balls of this poppy red. It's 100 grams. It's Stylecraft. It's beautiful. Look at that. These ones are lovely. This is Hayfield. I like Hayfield yarn. I used to always call it Highfield for some reason, but I've gotten used to calling it Hayfield. This is a beautiful, let's have a look and see what they're calling it. They don't have a name for it. It's a shade number 0993 for that. and it's like a very, very pale lemon, almost sort of creamy, like a clotted cream colour. It's beautiful, and it is really, really soft. Now these ones, I'm sure they call this one silver, and this is a style craft, the same as this one here. Now this one is a special double knit, and I'm telling you, that is so much softer than that one. That one is soft, but this one is super soft, and they both say that they're special double knit. This is amazing. It's beautiful. I'm sure there was one or two of these in the last Happy Mail that I got. It's absolutely beautiful. Now in this, it's silver. I was quite right. I'm getting used to it. It's a sad life that when you know what the names of some of their yarns are, it's beautiful. It is so, so soft. And I've made quite a few blankets in this colour. I love it. It's really lovely. Now this is 100 grams. It's 100% acrylic. There's 295 metres. That's 322 yards in this. And it's telling me to use a 4.5 or a 5mm crochet hook, or the same in knitting needles. That is so pretty. It's so soft. It's beautiful. Thank you so, so much, lady. I'm just calling you lady because I know that you don't want your name said, but thank you so, so much. This is absolutely amazing, and I really appreciate it. And your card was just so heartwarming. I really, really did. I mean, I have read it, and it's absolutely amazing. Such amazing, amazing story in here. And thank you so, so much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please click on that subscribe button that's down there. It is free to subscribe to the channel. And if you click on that bell icon, then YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, thank you so, so much for this. I really do appreciate the Happy Mail. And thank you to everyone for watching. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.